his shovel is the gas line, and the hole is gonna have to come over. So we're gonna have to put an angle on those anchor bolts so we're not nailing this wooden pole with the mast arm. Here's the gas line here. We're pretty much butted up with it. I think you need to get closer to it, Jesse.
That's what I was gonna ask, yeah.
Butted up with it right in the middle here. I think we're missing that wooden pole and probably want to have to angle it. Now, we're where he's at now or a little bit further away. We may have issues, but I think we're gonna be good on it. Look.
I just got here to go try to turn this digger tip. It's like, I don't know, it sounds like the starter's maybe engaging but not clicking on the flywheel. Try it one more time just to, I don't want to keep doing it, but I need good sound.
Call 911.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm calling. Yeah, I'll call him. How would get out, brother?
Yeah. Good.
You all right? Hey man, we just had an accident here at Orchard Road and Highway 611. They're able to get out of the vehicles and don't seem like immediate injuries, but pretty good T-bone. Black Ford pickup and a Ram 2500, white Ram. Steven arm. No, we're trying to work on this intersection and get back up and running. Yes, sir. Appreciate What is it?
Bare wire.
Really? Frank's car? Well, I guess we can come back to that.
Yeah, it's in there at least.
Alright, so this is what we did. Drilled in a couple wedge anchors, and then just mounted the cabinet straight on top of the pool box, get everything wired up until we can tear this apart, put a new form and a new pad on this, mount this cabinet back on here. Alright, so this is Orchard and 611. All the vehicle detection's working, lights are working, cabinets on the island. Foundation looks awful, but everything's set up, working like it should, and we bagged up this blank out sign because they don't have a relay panel to get that preemption working. Now we got to figure out something with this door real quick, but all good to go.